Ready to unlock the true power of Facebook ads for your Shopify store and turn casual browsers into loyal customers. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard on the left-hand sidebar, click on Online Store, and then select Preferences from the drop-down menu that appears. Scroll down until you find the Facebook Pixel section. This is where the magic happens. Now, head over to your Facebook Events Manager if you haven't already. Create a pixel. Once you have a pixel, copy your unique pixel ID. It's a string of numbers. Go back to your Shopify Preferences page and paste your Facebook pixel ID into the field provided. Make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the ID. Right below the pixel ID field, you'll find a setting for customer data sharing. It's crucial to turn this on. Sharing data helps Facebook optimize your ads and show them to the right people. With your pixel installed and data sharing enabled, Facebook will start tracking customer behavior on your site. This data will then allow you to create custom audiences based on specific actions. For example, people who viewed a product, added it to their cart, or made a purchase. Finally, use these custom audiences to create highly targeted Facebook ad campaigns, increasing your chances of conversions and ultimately maximizing your return on investment.